With the heat wave well underway, these plants need water and plenty of it. Let's also check out the flowers. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. A happy Wednesday to you all. It is Wednesday the 8th of July 2026 and it is day 143 of the Chilli Grow Up. 31 degrees at the moment and it's only about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So the heat wave is fully here. It is darn hot. It's lovely, but whew. So yeah, as you can see with the soil, bone dry now, so we're going to get lots and lots of water to these plants today. Get them all hydrated, get them the drink that they need so they can grow big and strong. Also, what I'd like to do is have a look at some of these plants that have produced flowers, and we'll be checking in on the flower update, seeing how they're looking, and hopefully see if some of these flowers have pollinated either by insects or self-pollinated and have turned into chilies. I'm hoping by now they should be, so we'll have a little closer look. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far and a great Wednesday. Me and Lucy have just been out literally down the road to pop her out for the bathroom, and you're ready to get back in the shade, aren't you? No, I don't blame you. Me too. Alright, let's do this. Let's start day 143. It's a hot one today, isn't it, kid? Eh? It's a hot one today. Eh? Oh, hello, madam. An egg for you. So we've got the overwintered Cayenne here. And firstly, I'm going to just get rid of this at the bottom. It's not really serving much purpose and probably taking away a lot of energy. So right at the bottom here, I'm just going to clip him. And we can get rid of him. Let's have a little closer look now at some of the roots and the flowers. So I've just moved the overwintered cayenne pepper over here so we can have a closer look. Now we've trimmed off the stems there that was sticking at the bottom. Let's have a little look through, because firstly we got some flowers here, look. Let's just get them out. So when the insects come or it self-pollinates, it should start shriveling up and then that should turn into a chili. So we've got lots going on here. But here's some really exciting news. As I'm checking through, do you see down here? Look at this. I didn't even know. There we have probably our first cayenne of the season. Let's get him in the light. 1 second. There we go. Looking lovely. That first cayenne. Very exciting news. I'm just trying to see if there's another little one here, look, just starting. See the flowers just starting to go away. That's becoming the chili. So yeah, we've got a few here already. I'm just having a quick check through, lots of flowers. Oh, look. Move that leaf out of the way. There we go. There's another little cayenne popping through. Very good news, very good sign. Let's spin them around. Have another little look through. There's another. There we go. Great stuff. Let's see. Oh, we've got another here. Look at that. Let's get that bottom bit there. See? End of the flower there. That can come off. Just beautiful. There's another one starting right there, look. And right next to it. Really happy with these results. I knew it was going to do me proud. But yeah, lots of flowers and already lots of chilies. Let's get it back in with the rest of the group. The cayenne, just perfect. Next up, I've got this cayenne that was in the smaller pot. You can see the roots sticking out the bottom, so that must be completely full. Oh, we've got no more grow bags. And we've got plenty of cayennes already in the grow bags. Now we can see there's some flowers here, look. Looking good. And you see they're just starting to become chilly, some of these here. And there. So it's looking great. Lots of buds, lots of new flowers. It's going to be a very productive little Cayenne, I think. Just perfect. The Cayenne. That's right, Mr. Ladybug. Work your magic. Thank you very much. Gobble them all up. Got another Cayenne here. And we do have one fully open flower there. Looking good. Got the two Buena Mulatas here, and we've got some beautiful little flowers coming up. There's another little one starting there. And then over to this side, got a few popping up. A few starting to show. Lovely stuff. And the Buena Mulatas. Got the ghost pepper here. Looking big and bushy there. And you see just in the back, a couple of flowers there, one there, and one just over that leaf. So that's good news on the ghost pepper. So there we go, everybody. Very exciting stuff. The chilies are starting to show. Wonderful times. We're going to be having lots of chilies soon. I just can't wait. So that wraps up the day, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. If you're enjoying this journey from seed to harvest, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Click that notification bell. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Thank you so much for joining us. It means the world to Lucy and I. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Have a great week. Thanks again. And we'll see you tomorrow. See you Thursday. Thank you. Bye-bye.